Hi, in this video, we will talk about GST composition. It is important to note that all the registered dealers are required to file GST returns irrespective of the type of business or turnover or profitability during the return filing period. The dealer with the turnover of up to 1.5 crores can be registered under composition levy. However, casual taxable person and non-resident taxable persons cannot get registered under composition levy irrespective of their turnover. In case of northeastern states and Himachal Pradesh, the limit is 75 lakhs. Advantages of GST composition. No need for an accountant. To file the GST composition return, the entrepreneur does not have to appoint the accountant or need to maintain the books. The entrepreneur just have to provide the sales bill on SuperCA portal. The experts will prepare the GST return. All records in Excel. Since there is no need to maintain the books of accounts for the entrepreneur registered under GST composition scheme, at SuperCA we maintain all your sales data in Excel at no extra cost. Flexibility. The entrepreneur can migrate from composition to a normal dealer in GST anytime after the end of a financial year. High liquidity. Since the tax rates are comparatively low in case of composition dealer, this ensures high liquidity. There are two plans in GST composition. If you already have quarterly sales figure with you in Excel format, you can choose plan A. If you're doing day-to-day activity and do not maintain a cumulative figure, we can maintain the books for you and do account and bank reconciliation. You can choose the plan and we can maintain the books as well. At SuperCA, we provide you a convenient platform for GST composition filing by doing the following steps. Choose the plan. Log in to our self-help portal. Click on Continue. Fill the basic details about business and click on Pay Now. Once we receive the payment, go to My Service tab and click on the plan you selected. Select month and year for filing and upload quarterly sales report and click on Submit. Once we receive the documents, we will start preparing the filing documents and you can check your status under My Service tab. If you have any query, please contact us on 8000 900 68 or you can email us at contact@superca.in.